If Safari says it cannot open the page or connect to the server, don't panic. Here's how to fix it fast on your iPhone. First, make sure you're connected to Wi Fi or cellular data. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and make sure Wi Fi or mobile data is turned on. You can also try turning airplane mode on and off to reset the connection. After that, open apps like YouTube or Instagram to check if your internet is working in general. If they load fine, the issue is likely just Safari. After that, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, then close Safari and reopen it. Or try clearing Safari's history and website data. And for that, go to your Settings app, then scroll all the way down, tap on Apps. Here, scroll again and tap on Safari. After that, search for clear history and website data, then tap on it and confirm it by tapping on clear history. This helps clear out all data or cached errors. After that, restart your iPhone. A quick restart can often solve small software glitches affecting Safari. Next, reset network settings if nothing works. And for that, go back to the main settings menu, then tap on General. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose Reset all settings from the options. Once that's done, reconnect to Wi Fi after restart. That's all. After following these steps, Safari should be able to load pages and connect to servers like normal. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.